Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Translate and choosing English for both languages. This forces the TTS to read your input back. Type a short, repeated pattern like boots and cats or explicit consonant clusters. You want plosives and sibilants. Once done, set volume to about 70% and test the speaker. Make sure to use Chrome on desktop because timing and audio playback are more reliable there. Do this now. The first sounds you create determine the rhythm. Now you'll shape the pattern. Swap full vowels for quick schwa-like vowels. For example, B letter to ATTS becomes butts. Shorter vowels make percussive hits. Repeat consonants in threes to simulate kick, snare, hi-hat, for instance, BTK, BTK, separated by commas. Once you insert commas and periods, the TTS inserts tiny pauses. Use those pauses for groove. Make sure to preview repeatedly and tweak spacing until the timing matches a simple 4/4 beat. Then save the phrase. To finish, use the speaker icon to play and record the output using system audio capture or loopback. This preserves the exact TTS timing. If the hit sounds smeared, shorten vowels further and add punctuation to force micro pauses. That tightens the rhythm. Once you get a clean loop, copy and paste variations to build longer patterns. If playback clips or sounds robotic, switch voices in settings or move to a different browser. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or restart the browser to fix intermittent audio glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.